So here's how to drag column in Excel. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to select the column like this and simply press and hold the shift key into your keyboard. Then place your mouse into the right corner like this and simply press and hold your mouse on and simply move your cursor like this. So if you want to move your column into the J column, then you can move your cursor here and simply unpress all of these. So that's how you can simply move or drag column in Excel. So if you want to move multiple columns, then you can select multiple columns like this. Again, press and hold the shift key and again move your cursor like this, and now you can move it around it like that. So that's how you can drag column in Excel. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.